Delhi High Court has instructed Manipur government and Staff Selection Commission, in short SSC, to respond to a petition from Cookie Students Organization. According to the Indian Express, this petition calls for reinstatement of Churachandpur as an examination venue for government recruitment exams for the remainder of the academic year. The court, led by Chief Justice Manmohan and Justice Tushar Rao, has scheduled the matter for consideration on October 16. The petitioner argued that Churachandpur has historically served as an exam center for SSC and other central government recruitment tests, even during the ethnic violence that began last year. However, the SSC has recently removed Churachandpur from its list of exam venues, citing concerns over the law and order situation in Manipur. This decision has significantly impacted over 500 candidates from the Kuki-Zo tribal communities, who now face the challenge of traveling over 300 kilometers of difficult terrain to reach the nearest exam center in Aizawl, Mizoram. The SSC's announcements made on September 4th stated that the combined graduate level examination 2024 will not be held in Churachandpur or Ukhrul. The petition further noted that exams were still being conducted in Churachandpur until July this year. In addition to seeking the reinstatement of Churachandpur as an exam venue, the Cookie Students Organization is also asking the SSC and other authorities to arrange for travel support for travel students needing to travel out of state to take their exams.